हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, आज मैं आपको मेरी न्यू बुक के बारे में बताऊंगी।
इसका नाम है एसेंशियल्स ऑफ इंग्लिश ग्रामर एंड कंपोजिशन, क्लास 1 के लिए बाय सुल्तान चंद एंड कंपनी। ये बहुत ही अच्छी बुक है बच्चों के लिए रिगार्डिंग इंग्लिश ग्रामर की। ग्रामर एक ऐसी चीज है जिसके बिना वी कांट टॉक इन इंग्लिश एंड चिल्ड्रन हैव टू लर्न अबाउट इंग्लिश ग्रामर, और ग्रामर के लिए बुक्स बहुत कम हैं। दिस बुक इज वेरी वेरी गुड। इसके कंटेंट्स हैं नेमिंग वर्ड्स, स्पेशल नेम्स, वन एंड मोर देन वन, ही और शी, डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स, फिर ए एन और द के बारे में बताया गया है, दिस दैट दीज एंड दोज, आई यू ही शी इट, वी यू दे। देन वी कम टू डूइंग वर्ड्स, इज, आर, एम, is, are and ing words. Then it tells us about the difference between have and has, in, on, under, sentences, capital letter, understanding words, comprehension, and the last chapter is composition. See, this is the first chapter of the book, naming words. It tells us about the name of the persons, name of animals and birds like owl, tiger, crow, hen, cow, horse, eagle, rabbit. And what are the rules of naming these words? Second page is name of the places and name of the things. And then in the next page, like this, they have given the summary of rules about these words. Like some words are the names of persons, some words are the names of animals and birds. All these words are called naming words. Then some exercises are given which children can fill in. Pictures are very good. Paper quality is also good. And we have to circle some words. A number of exercises are given. Then comes special names.
Special names is...
This is a picture of a boy. This boy has a special name. His name is Rohit.
This is the picture of a girl. The girl also has a
special name. Her special name is Mala. Then they have given which things have special names, like months of the year have a special names. And the last of the chapter, they have given the rules about special names. Like special names always begin with a capital letter.
Special names and common names.
Exercises is there. Then comes the concept of one and more than one. Obviously, it is very important for the children to know about singular and plural. One roses, four roses. One girl.
One girl, three girls. One book, four books.
These are the S words. Then comes ES words. This is an exercise in which we have to correct the right words. Like monkey, monkeys, tree, trees. And again the rule comes. Exercises are there. This is a small paragraph which we have to fill the words with adding S or ES. The next chapter is on he or she. Obviously it is very easy. And some words are given here. We have to classify the words in he group and she group. And pictures are obviously very good. One is review one of these chapters. Then comes the describing words. This is an old man.
This is an old man. The giraffe is a big animal. The tea is hot.
This is a heavy bag. And in the end, the chapter describes about the describing words, like describing words describe persons, animals or birds, place or things. Describing words tell us about shapes, sizes and colors. They tell us about special qualities. They may also tell us about how many are there. These are the exercises for describing words. Then the concept of
An and a.
or the. A mango, an apple, a banana, an orange. These are the rules for using a, an and the. Then come the chapter on this, that, these and those. This is a lion. This is an elephant. Chapter on I, you, he and she. These are the rules about I, you, he, she or it. Like it describes non-living things, animals or birds when they do not have a special name. So these rules are very easy for the parents to tell to their children, and children can also understand this concept. Usually in schools we do not get such a good book on English grammar. We have more books on literature, stories. These are the concept of we, you and they. Exercises are there. Then is, are or am. I am a student. I am in class 1. We are happy. You are kind. And we have to fill in the blanks. See, it is such a good book and easy book to do. And mostly they also explain all the things. This is the ing words: twinkling, talking, swimming, laughing. And they have given ample exercises so the kid can remain busy for a long time and can also understand grammar. It is very difficult to understand where we have to use have or has. Even we as adults have problem many times in this concept. So they've also given sentences in the use of have and has. Like, I have many story books. He has a pet dog. This is a paragraph given which we have to fill in the paragraphs also. There are few difficult words which you can explain to the children. Otherwise, they can fill these paragraphs on their own also. It's grammar activities. This is the concept on in, on, under and near. Now we come to sentences. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Sentences are given so children can learn to make few sentences. And here they have given, we put a full stop at the end of such sentences. Some sentences ask a question, we put a question mark at the end of such sentences. And see how good pictures are there.
Very good pictures.
Capital letters, chapter 16. They tell us about where we have to use capital letters. And in this box they have given all the places where we have to use capital letters. Enough writing practice is also given. See, they have to rewrite these sentences using capital letters. This is page number 57. Review exercises is there. Then understanding words. Comprehension, small paragraph of comprehension. These are the questions given about comprehension. Again, a small story is given and question answers is given. Third story, then question answers. So like in board patterns these years, in boards also we have comprehension. So here we have to start using comprehension on a small scale. Stories are also given. You can tell the stories to the children. They won't be able to read these stories, but at least a 6-year-old child will be able to answer these simple questions. Who was Sparkle? What did Sparkle see one day? The chapter is on composition. Paste your picture here. Myself. Write about yourself. You can complete this page. Like, my name is Inaya Abbas.
My name is Inaya Abbas. I am 6 years old.
I am in class 1. I live in Ghaziabad.
My mother's name is Mrs. Zoya Naqvi. My father's name is Mr. Syed Akhtar Abbas. I like to eat ice cream and mango.
Here, paste the picture of your best friend. A daily schedule page is there. Here we have to make small sentences, and this is the end of the book, the last page. Look at the picture, then fill in the blanks with suitable words, and they have to select these words. Last page. Quality of the page, as you can see, is very good, and the price of the book is rupees 155 only. So I will say it is a must buy book for all the parents of class 1. 5 or 6 year children can easily read this book and understand the concept of English grammar and composition.